Hello, people. The first time you're here, welcome. If you're here before, welcome back. My name is Humberto Pina, and teacher. This is a series of video tutorials. You want to do better in the TOEFL test. We're working with structure and written expression, and on to skill 39, the correct singular plural. Okay. So let's start with nouns. The same types of problems with nouns appear often in the written expression section of the test. Usually familiar with this problem so that you recognize them easily. Should be able to do the following. 1, use the correct singular or plural noun. 2, distinguish countable and uncountable nouns. 3, recognize the regular singular and plural nouns. And 4, distinguish the person from the thing. Skill 39, use the correct singular or plural noun. A problem that is common in the written expression section of the TOEFL test is a singular noun used where a plural noun is needed, or a plural noun used where a singular noun is needed. For example, on the table, there were many dishes, right? So in this first example, many indicates plural, so it should be dishes. The second example, every indicates singular, so test is needed. In the written expression section of the TOEFL test, you should watch very carefully for keywords such as each, every, a, one, and single. That indicate that a noun should be singular. You should also watch carefully for such keywords as many, several, both, various, and two, or any other number except one. That indicate that a noun should be plural. The following chart lists the keywords that indicate to you whether a noun should be singular or plural. For singular nouns, each man, each woman, each child, every man, woman, child, a single person, one person, a person. If it's plural, then you got both, this and that, two people, many people, several people, various people. Okay, so to know when to use a singular or plural. Now, in the exercise, we got each of the following sentences contains at least one keyword to tell you if a noun should be singular or plural. Circle the keywords. Draw arrows to the nouns that describe, indicate the sense of correct or incorrect. For the example, the automobile shop stocked many parts for the various types of Hondas. Okay, so various types is okay, but many is plural and part is singular. So this is incorrect. It should be many parts. Number 2, every receipt must be removed from the cashier drawer and tally. So this is correct. Every is always singular, receipt singular. So pause the video, complete the exercise. When you finish, come back and check your answers. Pause the video now, and then we can come back. All right, now that you're back, number 3, the sales clerk demonstrated various additional way that the machine could be used. So various is plural, way is singular. It should be ways. That's incorrect. I find it difficult to believe that both of the piece of jewelry had disappeared. So both is plural, piece is singular. It should be pieces. It's incorrect. The unhappy man became more and more discouraged with each passing day. Days is plural, each is always singular, so it should be each passing day. An extended cruise would be a nice way to spend a vacation one day. So we got a cruise would be a nice way to spend a vacation one days. Days is plural, one is singular, so this is incorrect. It should be one day. Lonnie was surprised that not a single worker was available on Tuesday. So this is correct. A singular worker is singular. The housekeeper cleaned the room and took two of the occupants' dress to the laundry. Okay, so 2 is plural. It should be dresses, not dresses. When the first bill was defeated, the Senate began work on a A is singular, bills is plural, so it's incorrect, should be on a different bill. There were several boxes in the cupboard, and each box contained a dozen glasses. So this is correct, right? We got several boxes, it's plural, each box singular, a dozen is singular. There you go. Okay, look at your answers, look at what we did. If you need, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you.